Hello and welcome to Zingbooks tutorials. Today we'll be talking about what to do if you can't find your club, state, or county listed when trying to sign up for Zingbooks. To sign up, simply click the sign up button and it brings you to our sign up wizard. Okay. Now once you get here, you will see the Find Your Club step 1, and you have the ability to choose the state that you're from. So you kind of have three scenarios that may happen if you can't find your club. Either number one, your state doesn't exist in the list, and since we're brand new, that may very well happen to you, this year. We're working on spreading throughout the United States right now. Florida is our beta test site, and we are working on going to additional states currently. So we're going to be adding states as we move forward, but you very well may not find your state if you happen to be the first club or county that is interested in Zingbooks from your state. So if that's the case, you'll have to come down here and register, okay? But let's just say you're from Florida, and you click here. You'll see the county drop down come up. Here are the counties that we currently have that are approved in the state of Florida. These are our current testing counties at this point. So if your county does not appear on this list, then obviously, once again, you would come down here and click the Register Your Club button. If you see your county and you choose your county, then the club list will come up. Now here, if you look here, these are the approved clubs that we have listed for Florida in Hardee County, okay? But if you don't see your club listed here, then either your club could have been omitted accidentally from the list, or your club leaders haven't approved Zingbooks as a platform they want your club to use. In that instance, then you would want to make sure that, again, that you contact us and let us know. Okay, so let's walk through the process really quickly for registering your club, okay, in the event that you don't see your state, county, or club listed. Simply click this button, and this form appears. Give us your name, your email, your association, which is basically your club association, so 4-H or FFA or another club, okay? So do that. Enter your club name, your county, your state, and any additional details. For instance, if you already have county contact information, maybe you've spoken to your county leaders already, and you're interested in giving us that contact information, this is stuff that you can put right here. If not, we'll just simply contact you directly, and we'll facilitate getting your club approved through you and speaking with your county and state leaders that way. And we're really excited about working with new counties and new states, so we really we hope to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any more questions, please email us at support@zingbooks.com. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day, and we look forward to having you as a Zingbooks client.